we're going to auction off, you can bid on. The first thing here is, there's a new t-shirt coming out that I designed for the Panther. It has my artwork on the front. Now, what's interesting is that this is the prototype shirt. The real one that's for sale, the artwork's on the back. So this is actually a one-off that I sent to me to evaluate, do I like the quality of the print of my drawing. So it's a medium, so if you're not a medium, this is not for you. But if you are a medium and you would like to bid on this one-off shirt, it's the only one that exists in the world, you can go ahead and do that. Now, I don't know if you want to do all the bada 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 stuff. I'm not like a rapper or nothing, but you can go ahead and raffle off that one-of-a-kind t-shirt.
All right, since it's a one-of-the-kind prototype, let's start the bidding at $100. Give me 100, 100 over here, 125. What's that? What's that? Oh, she's bidding on it. 110 is bid from the front. How about 150? Who'll give me 150? 150 is bid. You want to be 175? 155 is bid. How about 160? I got 160 to you. But 170? 170 is bid. You want to be 180? 200 is bid. How about 225? 200 is bid. 225 to buy. Anybody else? One of a kind, one-off prototype. 200 is bid. Going once, twice. Sold. $200.
$200.
If you want to get a picture of that shirt, just look me up. Every year, Design Center, luckily, gets to go on something called Design on Woodward. Woodward Avenue is like the quintessential cruise spot for, I'd say, like in America. And so our design center will go and basically hang out on Woodward and bring all our coolest cars there. And we design a t-shirt for that every year. So last year, the t-shirt was all around the Panther theme. So this shirt is not for sale in any store and never will be. There are variants of it that have been released to the public, but this is the Design Center exclusive shirt. If you flip it around, you'll see it says Design on Woodward on the back. So I brought 3 versions of it. I'm only auctioning off one. So the sizes are medium, large, and extra large. So whoever wins the bid should be a medium, a large, or an extra large for the Design Center exclusive Panther Edition t-shirt.
That baby's gonna be framed.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's start the bidding at $100. Give me 100. I got 100 here. How about 125? 125 is bid. How about 150? 125, 150 over here. I got 175. 150, 175. 150, 175 is bid. How about 200? Who will bid 2? I got 200 over here. How about 225? 225. 210 is bid. 225. How about 250? Who will give me 250? 250. 225, 250 going once. 250 is bid. How about 275? 280. Who will give me 280? I got 280. You weigh 300. I got 300. How about 325? 325. 300, 325 going once. 325 is bid. How about 350? I got 350 to you. How about 375? 375 to the kids at ACBC. 375 is bid. How about 400? How about 400 is bid. 425. Who will give me 425? 425 going once. 400, 425 twice. 400, 425, 30 last call. Sold at $400.
XL. Congratulations.